Jai Swaminarayan students. I am Ms. Jinal and I'll be conducting your GK subject for this year. So let us start with the first page, that is Mysterious Space, page number 7. Okay. You need to say whether it is true or false. So let's see the first one. All gas planets do not have rings. Wrong. All gas planets have rings. So cross it out. Second, the first artificial satellite to be launched into space was Sputnik 1. True. The Earth's orbit is circular in shape. False. It is wrong. Why? Because it is oval in shape, elliptical in shape. Fourth, a lunar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth and blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth. It is wrong. Why? Because it is not lunar eclipse. When this phenomenon occurs, it is known as solar eclipse. Fifth, Mercury is the hottest planet in our solar system. False. It is wrong. Why? Because Venus is the hottest planet. Sixth, the scientific name of a shooting star is comet. Again, this is false. Why? Because its scientific name is meteorites. Seventh, Pluto is no longer considered a planet. True. The mass of the sun is 743 times the total mass of all the planets in the solar system. Yes, it is true. Craters are circular holes or depressions common on the moon and some planets, occurring due to meteorite impact or volcanic explosions. Yes, true. Those are called craters. Andromeda is the star closest to our solar system. The answer is false. Why? Because Andromeda, it is not a star, it is a galaxy. Now we'll jump to the next is wonder birds. Right? Birds have some very distinct features. We'll write down the names of these birds with the help of the given clues. And the photos are also given. Let's see the first one. These birds are also called bottlenose or sea parrot, are distinguished by their large, brightly colored triangular beaks. They can easily swim by using their wings to stroke underwater. Okay, these are called puffins. Write down Puffins, puffins. These birds are called puffins. Next, these large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch fish. Most species fish in groups by forming a line in a U-shaped formation to drive fishes into the shallow water by beating their wings on the surface. When fish get to the shallows, they simply scoop them up. Okay, as you can see in the picture, this bird is called pelican. Pelican, pelican. Next, these birds are found in American tropical forests. Their oversized, colorful bills can be as long as 1/3 of their total length. These birds use them to reach fruits on branches that are too small to support their weight. And these are toucan, Toucan. Next, these long-necked large birds are tall and live in fresh water or wetlands and swamps. They can be identified by their long legs, brightly colored featherless heads, and prominent bills. These are called stork, Stork. Now next we have to identify these birds from the picture. First is macaw, Macaw. The options are given in the box below at the end of the page. You can see the spelling from there. MACAW, Macau. Second is rhea, RHEA. Third, it is albatross. And fourth, it is kookaburra. We'll jump to the next page, that is page number 9, furry friends. Again, from the clues and images, you need to find out, you need to guess the name. Let's see the first one. Red, it is reared for its milk, hide, and also as a pack animal in Tibet. That is yak. All the answers are given in the box at the end of the page. You can check the spellings from there. Second, solitary plant-eating animal with a short trunk found in the tropical forests of Malaysia and America. It is tapir. Third, acrobatic mammal found in Southeast Asia with a human-like build and no tail. It is gibbon. Gibbon, gibbon. Fourth, native to the northern hemisphere, a small, discreet and often nocturnal amphibious animal that is valued for its luxurious fur. That is mink, M-I-N-K, mink. Fifth, largest of South America's big cats that are good swimmers. As you can see, all the pictures are given. It is jaguar. Next, recognized by the black mask across its eyes and the black bands around its bushy tail. That is raccoon. Next, omnivores animals that have humped shoulders and elevated foreheads and feed on berries, plant roots and shoots, fish and small mammals. Those are grizzly bear. The last one, the largest member of the deer family found in the northern hemisphere. That is elk. That's all for today. We'll continue the further pages in the next session. Jai Swaminarayan.